Hello, my dear bakers. Today, we begin a truly lovely baking adventure. We will create a Lambeth-style cake. Classic elegance, intricate, lavish overpiping, layers upon layers, scrolls, swags, shells. It looks complex, but with patience and a steady hand, you can do this. One step at a time, I will guide you. Put on your apron, take a deep breath, let us begin. A 19th century method, nostalgic and regal. Precision, symmetry. Build layers for depth and texture. Paint with icing. Soft pastels. Do not rush, enjoy the process. Gather all tools and ingredients. Mise en place. Everything in its place keeps you calm and efficient. A sturdy turntable, non-negotiable. It enables smooth, symmetrical piping. Round for dots and lines, star for shells, petal for swags. Choose strong, comfortable piping bags. Your secret weapon for a professional finish. Classic sponge ingredients, simple and reliable. For the crumb coat, silky and smooth. For structure and detail, royal icing is essential. Cover with fondant, tint icings gently in pastels. With everything ready, the process feels effortless. Preheat. 160°C fan, 180°, 350°, gas mark 4. Prepare 2 8-inch tins, precision matters. Beat until light and fluffy. Air is your friend. Add eggs one by one. A spoon of flour prevents curdling. Gently fold. Keep the air. It should fall easily off the spoon. Portion evenly. Weigh for accuracy. Bake until risen and golden. Check spring back, skewer clean. Let them breathe, then cool completely. Level for a flawless professional base. A flat canvas makes your piping the star. Apply a thin crumb coat to trap crumbs. Smooth, then chill at least 30 minutes. Beat 150 augury butter plus 300 gram icing sugar plus splash of milk until smooth. Roll to about 3.4 millimeters. Ensure it covers top and sides. Drape gently, avoid trapping air. Hands first, then smoother for a crisp finish. Trim carefully for a neat edge. One last polish removes tiny imperfections. A perfect blank canvas, ready for Lambeth details. Be proud. You have set the stage beautifully. Royal icing is the soul of Lambeth style. 3 pasteurized egg whites. Add sifted icing sugar gradually. Lemon strengthens. Glycerine prevents rock-hard set. Aim for stiff peaks that hold shape. Too stiff? A drop of water. Too soft? More sifted sugar. Tint gently. Soft, even pastel shades. Practice stars. Squeeze, stop, lift. Shells. Squeeze, pull to a tail, repeat. Build muscle memory. Control pressure and speed. When your movements feel natural and steady, you are ready. First plan. Lightly sketch swags, scrolls, borders. Measure equidistant points. Symmetry matters. Pipe a continuous shell border at the base. Follow guides. Overpipe to add depth. Small details create dimension. Touch. Squeeze gently. Let the line fall. Lace-like elegance. Add scrolls, dots, petite rosettes. Choose a balanced top motif. Shell rings or a fine lattice. Pause often. Assess balance and spacing. This is your creation. Enjoy each piped detail. We are on the home stretch. Splendid work. Add delicate dots where lines meet or at shell peaks. Minute beads add sparkle and texture. Place pearls sparingly. Elegance over excess. A soft pearl or gold luster elevates pastel icing. Inspect every angle. Tiny fixes make a big difference. Let royal icing dry at cool room temperature for 24 hours. Now it is firm for transport and serving. You practiced, you built patiently. This masterpiece is a testament to your skill. Well done, my dear baker.